Hello people, in front of me today I have a 2004 KJ Jeep fitted with the 3.7 litre V6 and I'm needing to replace a leaking water pump, but first I need to remove the Viscous fan clutch assembly. However, to do this you need to prevent the water pump pulley from rotating while you unbolt the fan. You can buy a service tool to do this, but I want to show you how you can make one in under 5 minutes and for less than $5. You can see here on the new pump that the pulley has 4 10mm or 2 and 5 inch holes that can be used by the service tool to prevent it rotating. Rather than measuring these distances, I use some masking tape over the holes and rub my dirty gloves over these holes to leave an impression. Then I transferred this to my flat steel bar. This particular bar was about 1/2 metre or 20 inches long and it worked great. I marked the centres so I could use a centre punch ready to drill these holes. I've highlighted them here in white just so it's easier to see on the video. Just note also that I positioned the holes about 1/3 of the width on the flat bar just to help with positioning on the pulley. Next you can drill out the holes. I drilled a pilot hole followed by the full size hole. Now position a bolt and a nut into each hole. As these bolts had some wiggle room in the holes, I positioned them onto the pulley before fully tightening them down. This ensured that they were in the correct position. But before I show you it in action, I want to demonstrate without the fan in place how to lock the pulley into position. The bolts sit into the lower 2 holes and the left-hand end of the bar sits against the car's body. You can see that I made a small modification to one of the bolts as it was too long and made it difficult to fit into place. Okay, let's see how all this works. With the fan pulley locked in place, use a 36mm or 1 7/16 inch spanner on the clutch fan hub and rotate the spanner to the left. With the pulley locked into position, the tension on the threads can be easily freed. Once loosened, you can then rotate the fan by hand to remove. And this is job done. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave any questions or comments below and be sure to check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.